without you.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Jay Castro. Anyway, welcome. Today I decided to create an anti-Valentine's Day video. So here it is. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment on this video, like this video, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see how I created this look. And please continue watching. Usually we've been starting with the brows. Today we are doing the same. So I'm going to go into the Bomb Ass Brows with Benefit and Desi Perkins. True. And I'm going to, whoa, don't fall. And I'm going to take the Brow gel out of the package, and this is what I'm using today. So this is the Brow in shade 4.5.
What's the sound of your voice as I continue to walk by? It has been a year and now I'm living.
So just grab the spoolie from the kit. I'm just going to brush the front of the brow so it all blends in. Like always, I'm taking some concealer and a detailing brush, and I'm going to clean, sorry, there's a hair on my finger. And I'm going to clean the top of my brow. Once again, I am using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in light. So I just grabbed a makeup wipe. I'm going to wipe the center of my lid. I just feel like the sticker sticks on better when there's no like product or anything on your lid. Grabbing some stickers that I bought at the dollar store. I'm gonna grab these and apply it to the center of my lid. So next I'm taking the P.Louise base in Rumour 0.5 and the P.Louise brush.
There's no love I cannot see. And in a moment that
Grabbing a fluffy brush, I'm just going to blend out the edges.
right here without you.
Just taking some tape, I am going to put it on the side of my eye. So taking the Morphe and James Charles palette with a Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to go into Spooky. With a Morphe R39 brush, I'm going to go into 10% off. With a Morphe M521 brush, I'm going to go into Code James.
My name. Forgot about all you tried to change.
Just going to peel the heart off. Ooh, God, that feels nice. Next, I'm taking the P.Louise Basic Brights in Rude Boy Red and a small detailing brush.
I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine. That I'm better off right here without you.
Next, I'm taking the Alamar packing brush and I'm going to go into You're Kidding.
That I'm better off right here without you.
Next, I am taking the Roller Lash Liner and I'm going to break that heart. So next we are applying some mascara, and today we're using the Butter London Double Decker Lashes.
My place, my memory's gone erased like a scratch.
Next we are applying some lashes, and today I'm applying the DoDo lashes in D318.
The pain is still like the stars.
done, I'm going to complete the other eye off of camera and I will be right back. I'm back and I have finished the other eye. Next we're moving on to the face. So to start, we're using the Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer. For foundation today, I'm using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in Y305. I really want to brighten up the under eye, so today I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in Swan.
Without you, I remember myself, my name. Forgot about all you tried to change.
And to set everything that I just concealed, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder.
Continue to walk on by. It has been a year.
And to sweep that all away, I'm using the Morphe R10 brush. To brown the face today, I'm using the Benefit Hoola bronzer on a Morphe R7 brush.
Right here without you.
And to contour, I'm using the IBY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette on a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. I'm going to go into contour too. And for blush today, I'm using the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Feisty on a Morphe R14 brush. And for highlighter today, I'm taking the Jouer Cosmetics Powder Highlighter in Citrine on a Morphe E61 brush.
My memory's gone erased.
Taking a Morphe M496 brush and the same highlighter, I'm applying it to my brow bone. Taking a Morphe M168 brush, the highlighter literally just broke. Same highlighter. I am going to apply that to the inner corner of the eye. And with my finger, I'm going to apply it to my nose and my cupid's bow. I'm also going to finish the under eye. So to line my eyes, I'm taking the MAC Cosmetics Cherry Lip Liner. Taking a liner brush, I'm going to go into You're Kidding on a Royal and Langnickel Omnia Balm 40 shader brush. I'm going to go into Spooky on a Morphe M411 brush. I'm going to go into Code James. Next, I am taking the Makeup Forever Artificial Liquid Blood. I'm going to finish the other side of my face off of camera and I will be right back. Okay, so I'm also going to grab the Makeup Forever Artificial Thick Blood just to give it more texture like I did on this side.
Familiar was the sound of your voice as I continue to.
And for lipstick today, I'm using the Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in Friday.
In a year and now I'm living on the line. It has been a year and now I'm thinking what's mine. That I'm better off right here without you.
So taking the Morphe and James Charles. So taking the Morphe. What the fuck? So to bronze the face, I'm using